Replacing your Ford Escape's key fob battery from 2013 to 2019 models is a simple fix for common issues like an unresponsive remote. These fobs use a CR2032 battery. First, carefully pry open the fob casing using a plastic pry tool or small flathead screwdriver at the seam to avoid damage. Remove the old battery, noting the correct orientation with positive side up, marked with a plus sign. Insert the new CR2032 battery the same way. Reassemble the fob securely. Test the fob by pressing the lock or unlock buttons near your car. If it doesn't work, proceed to the next section on resyncing. If the remote is still not working after a battery replacement, resync the fob. Insert the key into the ignition. Turn the ignition to the on position, not start. Within 10 seconds, press the lock button 3 times. This should resynchronize the fob with your vehicle. If the case is difficult to open, apply gentle pressure or use a hairdryer on low heat to soften the plastic. If problems persist, clean the battery contacts with isopropyl alcohol and reattempt. If the fob is still unresponsive after these steps, consult a professional, as internal damage may require a replacement fob.